Assalamualaikum. Today I have made a program that calculates the grade, and based on your grade it prints the message that either you are a good student or you are a bad student. First of all, I have to give you the demo of the program, what it actually do. So I will run the program, and what my program do is it prints know your grade, enter your subject marks. When you enter the marks of your subjects, whatever marks you have gained, it tells you that which grade you have scored. For example, I have scored B grade, and it gave me a message that you did great. If I want to calculate another grade of any subject, I click yes, and I have entered the marks of another subject in which I have gained 98 marks, and it will print your grade as A. As long as I proceed with yes, I enter Y, it will print the grade that I have scored. So if I want to exit, I have to enter N, and the program will exit. So it's about the output of the program, what my program actually do. Now what how actually I have created that program. I have created three functions. One is input function, other is remarks function that accepts the grade, and another function, the main function, is grade calculator that actually calculates the grade. The grade calculator function receives the marks and return the grade, and the remarks function receives the grade and do not return anything but prints the remarks in that section. And input section do its work independently. It do not return anything and do not accept anything. What basically my program do, it just start from the main and print know your grade, and these is statics, and then the function input called. What this input function actually do, its input function, in input function I have a variable marks and a variable grade. When I enter the marks, enter your subject marks, I take that marks from the user and pass that marks to the grade calculator function. I input function just take the input from the user and pass the grade calculator function to calculate the grade, and the grade calculator function based on the marks return the grade to me. What the grade calculator functions do, it actually calculates the grade on the marks. It checks the range of the marks, and based on the range it returns me the grade. For example, I have scored C, B or A based on the range. If I do not fall in the range, it return me hash that the invalid marks have entered. The anything that has been returned is saved in the grade, and the grade character is passed to the remarks function. What the remarks function do, it receives the grade, whatever the grade calculator calculated, and based on the grade it prints the message that your grade is this one, and a respective message. If I have scored A, it will print great, excellent. If I have scored B, it will print you did great. So this is the basic program I have developed, and through function it makes my work easy, because I just have to write the ranges and the messages once, and I can use it as long as I want, just calling these functions. Thank you so much.